What's going on, guys? I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing video of one of the hottest tech products to hit the scene this year. This is the 2019 15-inch RTX Razer Blade Advanced. Now, I know there are a lot of other laptops out there. They offer, higher specs for lower price. But the Razer Blade, you just can't get past the premium build of this product. It's kind of similar to a MacBook Pro. I know a lot of people say that, but it really is true. The way everything is laid out, from the keys to the trackpad to the brushed aluminum finish, and of course this 144 Hz full HD display. Now, as far as the specs go for this particular model, it has an i7-8750H processor, an RTX 2080 Max-Q GPU, a 512GB NVMe SSD hard drive, which I've upgraded to 2 terabytes, 16GB of DDR4 memory, which I've also upgraded to 32 gigabytes. The biggest complaint that most people have with this laptop, besides the fact that there's no SD card reader, as well as there's no Ethernet port, is the fact that it leaves a lot of fingerprints if you get the black color. To me, that's a small thing, because what piece of technology in this day and age doesn't get fingerprints? I mean, think about it. Your cell phones, your tablets, your TVs, what doesn't get fingerprints? So that's something that you just have to live with, pretty much with any piece of technology nowadays. This laptop is for the person that wants to enjoy the best of both worlds. They want a sleek, professional looking laptop. They also want to be able to create content, use Adobe Premiere, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, all of that, and experience high performance. But they also want to be able to play games from time to time and enjoy that. This is where the Razer Blade 15-inch RTX 2080 fits in. If you're a hardcore serious gamer, they make specific laptops for that. They might be a little thick and a little bulky so that they can stay cool. They pack them, full of fans and a ton of other equipment. But if you're a gamer, that's what you need. If you're trying to be a content creator as well as a gamer, this is the laptop for you.